Have you ever faced the challenges of manufacturing complex geometries, especially process design? Moving on different curvatures, changing speed, and heat input affect the local bonding performance. These need attention. In this example, a tooling geometry like the actual setup was employed. The trajectory was assigned to the tooling geometry. Then ray tracing simulation was performed to estimate heat absorbance. This is angle and fiber orientation dependent. The global layup shows step-by-step material placement on the curved tooling at the left side. The corresponding temperatures of layers along the thickness direction are plotted on the right side. This helps to understand any local phenomena like temperature rise and thickness temperature gradient, which cannot be observed by a thermal camera. Would you like to know how your setup could be enhanced? Don't forget to like this video and stay in touch.